Men of Reddit, your asterisk now makes an audible sound when asterisk. Any sound of your choosing. What's your choice? A slide whistle. https://yauta.b/k7ulxu0zac. Goofy falling off a ledge. Asterisk yaaa hoo asterisk. It's amazing how accurate some your lot typing these out. That sound when Squidward walks. https://yauta.b/ch0fkbol8. That username and the sound being described. A party horn. https://yauta.b/pb0uiq4nt0. I thought you meant this. https://yauta.b/ofr74zi1lbn. That fart sound from that last squirt of ketchup out the bottle. Grunt birthday party from Halo. https://yauta.b/ktelgxa6ci. So basically children cheering? You fool, I already hear that every time anyways. Removed. B bruh. The THX sound. Moolah. Price is Right loser horn sound. A car horn, so I can Pavlov myself into having infinite asterisk in rush hour traffic. On the way into work too. Walking into work like an elephant just sneezed in your slacks. Edit, JFC your username. Siren is going off, on BLARING asterisk, and you're nutting all over a dude that's coding in the back of the ambulance. The theme that plays when you end a Super Mario level. https://yauta.b/3bsbxp6vkvu. You the real MVP out here with all these links. All those rubber ducks at once. https://yauta.b/nhc288 The old Windows /tada/ sound. https://www.yauta.com/watch v=qduv_8dwmw. A Wilhelm scream. Wilhelm cream. Lego Yoda death noise. https://yauta.b/7n1togs. I'm not sure 10 hours is enough of that sound. Unexpected item in bagging area. The link opens treasure chest sound from Ocarina of Time. https://yauta.b/svod904. Dragonborn leveling sound effect. https://yauta.b/j_uub_n4ge. Never should have come here. Owen Wilson's wow. Just a sad, wet cough. This killed me. I'm guessing you weren't vaccinated? M1 Garand ping. I hope you get more than 8 pumps in beef oping. The chatting noise from an old to me cash register. https://yauta.b/zeet7z1zglw. The seismic charge sound from Star Wars Attack of the Clones. https://yauta.b/fsisk6jy. Pew https://yauta.b/zkfdkz1k. A triumphant Al Pacino who ahh. https://yauta.b/q_w_wgw8c's cap. So anyway, I started blasting. Sonic losing his coins for each main squirt. The sound a spring doorstop makes when you flick it. Ric Flair WOOOOO. Edit, S/OTA whoever gave me silver. I'm not at all surprised my first award on here is a comment about asterisk. The damage and noises from Minecraft cause I'm definitely ruining someone's future. https://yauta.b/0t_nrtkihui. Just want to say thank you for putting the links to all these. I guess I'm uncultured, so don't know all of these, or do just want to hear it again, and the links really make it easy and enjoyable going through the thread. Thanks. Hadouken. The 1-up sound in Super Mario. Go Power Rangers. The epic guitar solo included. https://yauta.b/bwbhw8mehdu t=63. EU https://yauta.b/qkxfwd79hfi t=4. The asterisk r/oddly terrifying. The AOL signing in sound. Edit. Wow, that's my first award. Thanks random hero. https://yauta.b/d1ui7edrxrs. You are a superhero in this thread. The Star Wars blaster sound. The beep beep sound from the Roadrunner. The sound a balloon makes when it's lit. Go with tying the end. The GameCube intro. NI. From the Knights, who say NI in Monty Python's Quest for the Holy Grail. Robocops, thank you for your cooperation. https://yauta.b/nx-g3org. Jimmy Neutron, got a blast. The Censor Dolphin from SpongeBob. Edit, not censor. Morgan Freeman saying and all was good again. Edit, gold cherry popped. Thanks. I can almost hear Morgan say it. Exclamation mark. Nelson from The Simpsons laughing. Wah. Like Waluigi. The photon torpedo sound effect from Star Trek, or maybe a Michael Jackson hee hee. https://yauta.b/pin7etwo. https://yauta.b/silkvixen2. Party favor horn. Angels singing hallelujah. Kool-Aid Manzo HHHE. Never gonna give you up. On the off chance I get laid, the unlucky soul will get rickrolled. The John Cena theme song. Beady 80 AAAA. The sound of a crisply hit golf ball. They dumped TSS. My wife and I were having while our toddler was napping. At the moment I came, I slipped and kicked out a leg, hitting one of the buttons on his sit to stand toy, activating a short *FLIGHT of the BUMBLEBE type trumpet riff. Went from ecstasy to crying laughing instantly. I don't know if I'd want that every time, but I'd definitely recommend it at least once. Yoda laughing in Empire Strikes Back. Well, if it's premature I would go with Leroy Jenkins. Exclamation mark. One of those rubber chickens that screams after you squeeze it. Probably closer to what it would sound like IRL. https://www.yauta.com/watch v=ESNNR_GCIXS. FF7 Victory Fanfare. https://www.yauta.com/watch v=YCN0NSNK. It's criminal how far I had to scroll to find this. That Awooga. Sound car horns making old cartoons. Fuss Road app. Exclamation mark. Premature. Fuss *RO*. Vuvuzela. *YEAH*. Not a man, but I can just imagine the Roblox death sound. The same sound Aldra made when it got blown up. As if millions of voices suddenly cried out in terror and were suddenly silenced. Sorry little fellas. Freddie Mercury singing Neo at Wembley Stadium. https://yauta.b/klr5z0hop04 t=98. The Inception sound. https://yauta.b/dunk6imr mm. Austin Powers, yeah baby. Gilbert Gottfried reciting Hamlet. Close enough. https://www.youtube.com/watch v equals xklqaliettka. Kamehameha. Last 30 seconds of Overture 1812 by Tchaikovsky. Sure, it's a little long, but I think she will agree it's worth it. With the cannons. PS2 load-in sound. The Windows droplet sound. The OEG noise from Home Improvement. Samuel Jackson's voice saying she Negro, like in Pulp Fiction. https://youtuber.b/nj2dpcbz40 t equals 12. Windows XP startup. HONK AM Goose. Untitled Goose. The time stop noise. https://youtuber.b/7kvqdmpvxxm from JoJo. Imperial/Death Star alarm. https://youtuber.b/7edgh_b. Larku caricature. The thump sound of a grenade launcher makes. Seth Rogen's laugh. A fart sound, so whenever I came I can fart at the same time and no one will know that I farted. How these losers have no idea what even has happened. *MASSIVE wet spot on the front of his PANTS*. Star Wars blaster sound obviously. This sound. https://www.youtube.com/watch v equals yjxcdh1ps48. Yakety sax. https://youtube.b/znhmskwqccq